What's up guys, I hope that you're doing well. My name is Smma, and for an entire year I'm doing one YouTube video per day related to social media marketing, alright, to SMMA. So if you have any questions, you can go on my Instagram and you can ask it to me because basically every Friday I'm doing a poll on my story and you can ask me the question. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Just click on the button, it's free, and that's the only way to support me is by subscribing and sharing. So make sure that you're subscribed right now, like this video, and let's get to the video. So the question of today, guys, is social media marketing agency or DSMC. So we are going to talk about those two models, all right? Which one to begin with, what is each one of them. So let's talk about it right now. So guys, SMMA or DSMC. So let's talk about each one of them. So what is SMMA? So first, SMMA is a social media marketing agency, and DSMC is a digital social marketing consultant. All right. So there is a difference between those two ones because the first one, SMMA, you are going to provide the service for your client, for the company, all right? You are providing the service. On the contrary, for a DSMC, you are a consultant. You are giving advices. You're not doing the service for them, all right? So that's two different models. And yeah, guys, it's very important to understand the differences between those two models, because basically in both of them you are basically doing consulting, all right? So in both of those models you are a consultant, right? But there is a very, very big difference between the two ones, and let's check what are those differences, all right? So the first one is for SMMA. So for SMMA, as I told you, this is a done for you. So you are providing the service. For example, if you are doing Facebook ads, you are doing the service, you are creating the ads, you are managing, so you are doing the service. Now, it's very good to begin. This is the perfect thing to begin, the most easiest because you're just providing the service. It's so easy to sell. But for a DSMC, for consulting, you need to have proof, all right? You need to have credibility. You need to have more credibility. That's why it's easier to do DSMC if you have a personal brand. That's why Tai Lopez is doing. That's why Gary Vaynerchuk is doing. That's why Grant Cardone is doing. All of them, they have their personal brand. They have credibility. So they have social proof, massive social proof, so they can do DSMC and charge as much as they want, basically. So again, remember, done for you or done with you. So you are doing some of the work, but you're still providing the service. Now for DSMC, it's working like this. So basically for DSMC, you are doing coaching. So you are doing advices, either one-on-one or in group, all right, with multiple persons. And basically the only thing that you are doing is advising. So you advise on Facebook ads, on the best practices, on what they should be doing, on the strategy. Same for group coaching. You can do a seminar and give people advices, and you can be paid for this, all right, for giving advices. You can, for example, be hired to come to a company and do a speech to the marketing team, all right? So both those models are extremely comfortable, extremely profitable and comfortable. I love SMMA or even DSMC. I would love to get into it as well. But if you're a beginner, if you're just starting into digital marketing, there is a path to consulting, and the first thing that you should be doing is, of course, start with SMMA, with done for you, all right? Don't go directly with DSMC because you don't have credibility. Maybe you didn't provide the service yourself, you don't know your market well, you don't know what are the problems, what's the industry, all right? So the first thing I would tell you guys is to always start with social media marketing agency, all right, with done for you. That's the natural path of a consultant. And then on the side, you can have two different streams of income. So the other streams of income can be DSMC, where your agency is providing services, and you as a consultant, you're providing services to brands, to companies. And now you have more credibility because maybe you have an agency that is succeeding, so it's easier for you to charge for DSMC. And let's be honest, at one point it's saturating, like you don't have enough places. I mean, you can expand the team and you will be able to onboard more clients, but this allows you to scale much more because you have more time. It's just you're giving advice, you're not doing the service, you're just coaching, all right? And the final step, as I told you guys, it's a path. So the final step of a consultant, in my opinion, is of course online courses. So why online courses? Because online courses, again, you can scale, all right? So for SMMA, you can onboard, for example, with 3 people. Let's say you have a team of 3 people. With SMMA, you can onboard like 10 clients, right? If you have a team of 3 people, you can onboard I don't know, maybe 50 clients, all right, with DSMC, with a team of 3 people simultaneously. And now with online courses, with a team of 3 people, you can onboard as many people as possible, actually. So those are the path that you should be taking, and you should, of course, begin with SMMA. Like, don't start with online courses. That would be ridiculous. Don't start with DSMC, but all of those models are really, really profitable, and you should add them, with the time, you should add them to your business, one by one. All right, guys, so that was it for this question, SMMA or DSMC. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If yes, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, all right? Just click on the button. And if you would like to start and grow your own social media marketing agency, I've done a 1-hour free training, and you can find the link in the description. All right, so take care, guys, and I will see you in another video.